This is the calibration procedure for the Tech style handle. First, turn the shower on by rotating the flow handle anti-clockwise until it comes to a stop. The shower is now at its current maximum hot setting. To adjust the temperature, you need to remove the handle. Remove the decorative cap and then unscrew the Phillips screw. Insert the Allen key provided into the centre of the spindle. If the shower is too cold, rotate the Allen key 1/4 turn anti-clockwise and wait for a few seconds for the temperature to stabilise. Repeat until the required temperature is achieved. If the shower is too hot, rotate the Allen key clockwise for a 1/4 turn until the water is the right temperature. Repeat the process until you achieve the required temperature. Note the Allen key should not go through more than 2 full turns. Now remove the Allen key, refit the handle with the Phillips screw and decorative cap, and shut the shower off. The shower temperature is now set to your showering requirements.